Hey, what's up guys? Your boy 82. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Big Tiny Tech channel. If you're new, like and subscribe and hit that bell button for notification. But I have a big surprise for you. A little surprise. Something came in the mail. Yes. The one and only Deeper Network Mini. Deeper Network Mini. A lot of people have been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this for a while. And it came relatively fast as well. Just gonna do a quick unboxing of it and we'll later on we'll explore more into it to see how well it is. Okay? So it comes in a white box, nice silver. Unfortunately this is not the gold. Or the special edition gold. That would have been nice, but wasn't able to get it. Comes like this. I opened it up earlier, so comes in a sleeve. Sleeve like this. Check it out. Yeah. It's very light, sturdy. Looks like it's made out of aluminum. Yeah, but very good. Comes in this box, very simple. And you open it up, you have the manual. And underneath this is the Ethernet wire. The Cat 7 Ethernet wire. Yeah. So after that, you have the manual on how to install. Yeah, we're gonna do more in-depth setup of this later. Just wanted to show you a quick video of the unboxing of it. It's really simple. This is like the easiest unboxing ever. But yeah, that's it. Guys, there goes the Deeper Network. You know, this is free VPN, decentralized private network. It's needed with all this, ad trackers and everything else that's happening in the world where you're being spied on. So this is another good way of having your own privacy. Deeper Network. You pay it once and you have it for life. So I got one now for